What's up guys? Good morning. For today's video, here we go again. Walk, walk, walk. Isang magandang umaga. Ganda ng rainbow. You know guys, this is my 6th consecutive days of morning walking just to reach my goals, reduce of 10 pounds. Kaya kailangan ng konting lakad-lakad every morning. Ay oo, ang ganda.
Tumubo yan, lumaki, taas yan.
Good morning.
Morning.
Pakingking. Papaya. Tumubo sa malaking puno. Hindi yan malunggay. Hindi nilagay lang siguro yun. Ayan yun eh. Sanga. Oh, barko. Now guys, hanggang dito na lang muna ang aking video. At kita-kits tayo bukas ulit. Thank you guys for watching and for your precious time and support. Naway di kayo magsawang manood sa aking mga videos, live stream at ang mga short video. Have a blessed day everyone. Bye. Thank you so much.